Tiny starshine lights my way to bed. Magic rainbows glisten in my head. Just like a child I live in Wonderland. All my dreams are coming true.
Hi and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to share with you an opening of a Craftine box. So I was contacted by Craftine via Instagram and they asked if I wanted to try out one of their boxes and then in return obviously make the garment and do a review. So I was actually really excited about this. I've never had any kind of craft box or anything where you get all the kit for something that you need to make in one, and I wasn't quite sure how I'd feel about it because I was a bit like, well, do I really want to be making something that other people are making the same version of? Because one of the reasons why I like to sew my own clothes is so I can make them unique. But then when I thought about it, I thought, well, no, actually it's a real good opportunity to have the right fabric for the project because it's been pre-chosen specifically for the project that's in the box. And when I had a look at some of the things that have been made on Craftine's Instagram, people do their own variations and don't even necessarily make the pattern that's suggested with the box. They use the fabrics and the notions to make something totally different. And I also thought it was a good idea because if there's several of you all making the same thing, you can see how it looks even on different people, and just it being styled in a different way, how it can make it very different. So it's the April box that they sent to me, and it is the Tamarin, I think that's how you say it, the Tamarin trench coat, and I've never made a trench coat before either, so that will be something new for me. This is the box itself. So yeah, it felt a little bit like Christmas or a birthday, to be honest, when it arrived. I think they'd be great for giving somebody as a birthday or a Christmas present, because I think you can just buy one box. I don't think you have to subscribe. So what I will do is I will just head over to the other video to show you what's inside the box. Okay, so let's have a look inside the Craftine box. So first thing that I would say is I love the colour scheme. So it's a lovely mint green box with some cute drawings on there in white, and the box is a sturdy box as well, and the reason I'm telling you that is that means you can reuse the box for something else, to keep in your zips or your buttons or whatever you want to. So yeah, it's a good sturdy box. So looking inside, oh, it looks really cute. So this is the April box, and you can see it is a trench, like a short trench coat, which I'll be making. And you've got a little card here which gives you a little bit of information about the project. So it tells you the fabric that's included is the beige gabardine, pastel tartan double weave cotton. You've got your belt buckle, you've got your matching thread, and then it gives you a code here, which obviously I've covered up because it's a unique code for me, that you go to the website and you can download the pattern instructions there. So it gives you a little bit of information about what gabardine is and some tips on working with double weave cotton. And it also gives you some tips about the belt buckle. And what I really like is it also gives you washing instructions here, so how to care for the fabric. And then you've just got some information on the back about Craftine. Oh, and it looks like there was a competition that was running previously, so it's just going through the winners of that. I've got some little sweets, and they match the colour scheme of the project, which is really sweet. I've got a little bag here which contains the thread and a belt buckle. I've got the tartan cotton. I absolutely love that colourway. I have my gabardine, and this does feel a really nice quality as well. And then I have the pattern. So I don't need to stick PDF pages together. I do have the pattern here, and you can see that the different sizes are labelled well with different colours. Now what I will say is I have gone onto the website to download the instructions, and it does also give you a PDF version of the pattern as well. So if you would rather save this one for tracing off and you want to cut into a PDF pattern, then that's fine as well. So that is what is inside my Craftine box. Okay, so that's a sneaky peek inside what is in the April box. I hope that's given you a good insight as to what you get. I will check online as to how much the boxes do cost if you buy one. I think it's around £35, but then you get in that, as you've just seen, all the fabrics, all the notions, you get the pattern, you get the instructions, and there's often blog posts which accompany the box as well. So if you weigh all that up, I don't think it's that expensive, and I think, as I said before, if you wanted to get a nice unique gift for somebody who likes sewing for Christmas or for a birthday, I think it would be a great idea. And what I really like is the fact that the fabric, you know, will work really well with the pattern that it's intended for. So I hope that you enjoyed that. I will keep you posted with how I get on with the trench coat itself. I'll add another video once I've finished that, just to kind of talk you through how I found the instructions, how I found the fabrics to work with, what the fit of the pattern was like, etc. And hopefully I'll have a lovely shiny new trench coat to show you. So thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful week, whatever you're up to, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Just like a child, I live in wonderland. All my dreams are coming true. Heavy shackles used to hold me down. Now my feet don't even reach the ground. Just like a prisoner.